All right, so if you have a 2010 Ford Focus with one of these keys, with a broken keyring holder, that's a portion that would normally attach your keyring at the top there, between that corner and that corner, fret nut. I found a decent little solution to it. I was able to safely drill a hole through the top of it right there. Let's see if I can get this focused. My camera to focus on the key here. Anyways, it's not very clear there, but you should be able to see it. Yeah, I was able to punch a little hole. Oh, there we go. I was able to punch a little hole through the top of it there. And as you can see, my glove at the back there, no glove at the back. Glove at the back, no glove at the back. And the key actually still works. So I didn't damage any of the key components in it, as I think it's chipped or something. So I couldn't just go to the shop and cut a key and come and it works in the car like that. Okay, so let's just demonstrate that it actually works. Let's put this key in. Let's see if I can get it in here on camera here. All right, so keys in. Let me crank that out. Oh, I can't crank it over there. So there it is. Keys in. I'm gonna crank it over. There it goes. Car all started and running. I'll switch her off again. I'll switch her off again. There she is. I'll switch her off. And I'll start again. Show you. There we go. Hands still on the keys. Let me get my clutch down here at an angle. It's a manual, so I have to sink my clutch there. Alright, so here we go. Here you have it. It's a manual transmission. Sorry, my car is dirty. Yeah, so it works. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps someone. Bye.